our new products at BA Shields is our triangle carabiner. We use it to attach our quick release shackle so that we can hold our mask and have easy access to it. The benefit to a triangle carabiner is with the wire gate hidden behind the webbing so that we can decrease or almost eliminate unwanted opening of the wire gate, creating a snag point. Not only that, a triangle locates the quick release shackle in the same spot every time. Some of you may think that this carabiner is too small, but we like the way that it's compact and minimal, only fitting around the webbing very tightly, and the wire gate opens minimally so that we don't create any more potential snag hazards, and it secures it very well.